So, first things first. What is driving me up the wall is I have not done this. So we need to convert this into byte data because it's driving me up the wall. It's ugly looking. So what we need to do is we need to build this. So it should have built it. Yes, it has. So it's in here. There we go. MyriadKick.prg. And we are going to fire up CBM and see if we can import it. Data import. I'm sure it's around here somewhere. Oh, I did it on the other. I did it on other stream, didn't I? And I've forgotten how to do it. Oh no. Oh, hang on. Import binary file. I wonder if it's that. That one. All right. Import to source as assembly. No, as data. Generate 20 points per line. Yes. Good question. No, we're not going to do that. We're going to use CBM, but let's do it again. F6. Hello, Phase. Right, I've got the program running. We need to find the address where it starts, because it's not going to be much good if we don't know where it starts. Right, so 24F2. So let's write that down. 24F2. And it finishes at 25BF. 25BF. There we go. Right. So we'll go in here. We'll do monitor. Now, does it show me where the directory is? Yes, it does. So where is that? Oh, that's in VS Code. Okay. CD. Right, so that's temp. What do you mean? Oh, it's done it. Yep, that's the fella. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to save it. So save screen title 08 from 24F2 to 25BF. What you mean you can't open script? Dot bin. What? Your screen. Why is it not saving? Two 4 F2 25 BF. What? Why is it not saving? Yeah, save. Two 4 F2 25 BF. Okay. Ooh, this is not good. Why is it not saving it? Come on guys, why is it not saving it? Or is it because I'm putting 08? No, okay. Aha! There we go. Got it, got it, got it, got it. Right, let's get out of that. And we will close that down because I don't want to mess around with that one. We will load the test one up. Test. And we will do file, import, binary file from ctemp screen as data 20 bytes per line. Let's see, 20 bytes, 22. So how many lines are on the screen? As hex, yes. Go. Right. Now that we've got to hang on. Gonna have to see if it does it allow us to do an offset. Let me go back to it. As data. Skip 2 bytes. Skip 2 bytes. Do it. Lovely. And we want that. So we're going to put it in there. And dot. Right. Oops. Change that to that. Start from there. Change. No. Next. Here we go. Back up. Change. That'll do it. So that's the screen, and that looks about right. So we finish at 5400. And so we need to put 00. So I needed to keep that 00. Right, so now I'm hoping if we do F6, everything is still fine. Well, it looks it. Bingo. Right. That is better. That is a screen. Even though I made it the right size, it doesn't. It's not right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me do that again. Let me export that again. Oh, wrong one. File, import, binary file. My OCD's going bonkers. No, 10 per line. Go. It's better. Right, find, change that to that. There is no way we have, where's capitals? Match whole word. Match whole word. It's better. No, match the whole word. There we go, that's better. Replace the lot. Good. Ah, that's better. Much tidier. Right, F5, F6. Got the right program to press F6 now. Yeah. I'm used to F6 with kick. Never press F5. Yeah. I'm going to see if I can customize CBM, see if we can swap it over. Right. So that is the screen. It's now better. So we'll just check that it's in the right place. So this is where the screen starts. 24 F2, yeah, and starts at 25 BF because CO is that. Right. So I've got it done. Right. That's better. So it's just a case of trying to figure out all the routines. So display. So these come back from miles away. They do. Where's that coming from? No. So this is now this is another issue because we need to try, but we need to get everything sorted first because we're hardwiring these values, and I don't really want to hard value them, but we're disassembling at the moment. So this goes there. So this is. Reset scoreboard. Oh, loop. Do that. That's the demo flag. That's the delay. So this is the big delay. Whereas that's going there. Is that going up? Yes, it is. So if we're F1, then we'll come here. So we could, do we want to call that start game? Ooh. I suppose we could. But we'll call it this one. Start the game plus. And that can go there. Do that. So this is doing the inner loop, right? What we're going to call it? We'll call it that. Get rid of that. This one is the outer one, so is that going up? Yes, it is. Oh, what's going on? Outer loop. And this one, where's that one going? So that's the full looper. Okay. Do I want to call it full? Outer loop, inner loop, full. Yeah, I suppose. Because that's what it is. And that goes there. So this is just looping around, and then when we've got 2 no ops in there. Oh, I forgot. Is that the one? Yes, that's the one. Here we go. Just make sure. Yep. Install. Done. Hey! That allows you to have, when you do indenting, it allows, it colorizes the indents. So watch. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's colorizing the indent, so you can keep all your indentation in line. I think it's pretty cool. Right, back. Squirrel moment. Squirrel. Right, so this loops round, and then what it does, it increments the demo flag. So I think the demo flag is 0, which means it's gameplay or waiting, and then it goes non-zero when we want to do the demo. And these 2 no ops are basically to replace that. Did I indent 2 tabs? Yeah. Right, so watch. That's 1 indent. 2, 3, 4. I think it's 4 colours, and then it recycles back through again. It allows you to keep track of your... It allows you to keep track of your indentation. So when we start doing this over... Hang on, where is it? Oh, sorry. Rainbow indent. What? Whale? Where did I use whale? Did I? Where did I use whale? Don't see how confused I am. Alright. Right. So that jumps to game start. So we are here. So we've pressed F1, so it sets up the screen. Resets the scoreboard again. But we did that up here. Here. Oh, that's the high score, isn't it? Reset high score. Okay, so this must be resetting the scoreboard yet. Minus. Get rid of that. So that resets the scoreboard, and now we're setting up the game. So, possible flags. Now we need to figure out what these are. So there's going to be 3 arrays. starting at 0, 0. So let's try and visualize this. Is that how you do the block? No, it doesn't like doing blocks, does it? Right. So $0.00 to $1.13, $1.14, 27, 28, to 3B, 3898B, yeah, 3B. So these are the three arrays. So there's 18, 16 plus 3, so that's going to be 19, isn't it? 19 places where they're going to do. But what they're doing is this has been defaulted to, so I'll just do the equals. So this has been defaulted. This has been defaulted to Y, which is 01. Because it's doing oh, it's not even that one, is it? It's this one. So this has been defaulted to 01, and the rest are being defaulted to 0. So it's a case of trying to work out. So let's see if we can find these points. So let's do find space $00. So that's the start. So there's 9 places where we've got that. So there. So this is decrementing. So it's loading 14, comma x. If it's not equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, it decreases its counterpart in 0, 0. So if it's set to 1, if that is not equal to 0, it bypasses that. But if it is 0, then it sets 1 into 14. That doesn't tell us much. Any more? Let's have a look. Ignore that. That's data. 347B. Where's 347B? Here we go. 347B is there. So this is defaulting. How many data points we got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Well, well, well. Well, well, well. I'm wondering if this is level start. So it loads 13, loads 14, branch if equal. Where's that going? So it bypasses it if it's equal to 0. If it's not equal to 0, sets 1 in 28, sets 0 into 14, so that resets it back to 0, and then loads whatever into 0. Three, 4, 7B. Let's have a look at that. So, I wonder if this is the number of aliens. Nah, it can't be. Can't be. Okay, let's try it. Let's see what see if we can try it. Right. So, F1 to start. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So memory 00 00 to 003B. So 4606 4C06. That's what we got in that thing, haven't we? 4C. So that isn't even the 4C 06 06 01. So it's not even that. What else is there? Go away, go away. See if we can work this out. There's a lot of OAs. O2, 05. Let's kill a few. See if these number changes. Anything changed? Ooh. They've all changed. That's still 4C though. Cool, this is where having a debugger helps. I'm looking at the 14s as well, so that's where 14 starts. They're all zeros, but here we've got some ones at the end. What else are we doing? No. Right. So we need to... don't know if they're aliens tables, but there's definitely something going on. Let's see if we can spot 14. Zero into 28, 5 into 14. It's not used a lot, is it? I wonder.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Ooh, a follow. Thanks for following. Who was it? Oh, Phil Pole. Thank you very much for following. Welcome to this madhouse. We are trying to understand someone else's code for a VIC-20 without any tools to do it in. Oh, everybody's quiet. They must be thinking hard. Right. I'm just... Oh, for what is this? So that's a break. So JSR. So we've got some JSR. So there's definitely some loop going into it, but I don't know if it's... That's 56. So I don't know. Is it to do with the demo or not? Right. We will I'm just wondering if it's to do with the demo or not. Ooh, right. We need to see what this is doing, because there's like I say, there's only 9 places that 14 is spoken about, and there's 1, 2. Ignore those. Ignore that one. 3, 4. So there's only really 4. 6 places. And yeah. Display title screen. If it's the demo flag, branch if equal to there. So this is this has got to be the demo routine. No. This is the demo routine. Let's start with that. Let's find that routine. Where's that? That is right down at the bottom. It's here somewhere. It should be highlighted somewhere. There it is. Oh, immediately jumps away. Really, jumps away. It's down here. There it is. Well, 82 is definitely something. Load 64. Compare 13. 82 goes back to... Okay. Yeah, we're not going to get very far like that. Right, so 65, 64, 65. 170A. I wonder... Let's have a look. 64. See if there's a 0 page call for it. No. No. Oh, 1708. Have we got that on there? No. 17. No. So it's not a 0 page call. $64, $65. Have we got any constants for that yet? 69. Okay. Trying to think what that would be, because it's not the shields. 58 is the current level. And this is a delay. 10 cycle delay. So we know what that is. Start the play. See if we can find the game looper. This could be it. Okay, decrease. We haven't got the position of the ship, have we? We haven't got the position of the ship. So I'm wondering... I wonder if that's the position of the ship. Let's find out. Let's find out if... So 64, 64, 65 and 66. I'm just wondering if that's the position of the ship. So let's find out. Alt H. I've got to remember Alt H. Right. 0064. Right. So they're set. So if I go. 0064. Let's see. Has it changed? Which has changed? Oh, ooh, 64. He looks like the prime candidate because that's at 01. So 64 could be X. Let's put it to 0. Yeah, 64 is definitely X, and it's arranged between 0, 1 and 13 because it won't go over any more than that. Go. The LED should be on now. It is. Oh, is it loud? Hang on, mate. There you go. Is that better? Right, so 64. So does anybody want to put any money at 65 is Y. Right, so that's OD. Oh, 66 has gone down as well. Ooh. Right, let's move it. Let's move it 1. So So we're going to move it down 1. There's down, that's, well, that, hang on, down 1, there we go. Oh, cool, that's interesting. I don't, can you see that? Yeah, you can just see that, can't you? It's gone from OD to O2, but this then went from 0 to OD. Hang on, let's do one more. Let's go down one more. There we go. That's 03. Ooh. Right, let's go back to the top. So that's at the right at the top. It won't go up anymore. Right, that's at 01. Okay, so that's at 01. So it looks like 65 could be Y. Go down 1. Oh, come on, Alt H. 2. Right, okay, we're on a winner. Go. Let's do it again. One more down. There we go. No, we'll do 2. That's 2, so that should be at 4. So memory 0064, which it is. So 65 is Y. And that runs from 01, which is the top. And so where's the bottom then? Go. Let them fall off the edge. There we go. So we're right at the bottom. 19 to $19. Hello, Docster. Mikroman put the LED on. Oh, wait until I'm not I'm not into electronics, but I'm trying to figure out how I can get the Pi to power massive strips. It's good fun. Right, so we've got to figure out what 66 is. What does 66 do? So we know that. I wonder if it's the shields. So let's move up. We'll fire first. Right. Well, it's not that. Okay. So I wonder if it's the shield. There we go. No, it's not the shield. We need to change those terrible sounds. Yeah. Okay, right. So we've got 64, 65. I'm not too sure what 66 is. Let's just make it go again. That is definitely jumping one character. Yes. Right. Let's convert what we know. Right. So, right, here we go. So, dot label. Whoops. Ship X equals 64. Ship Y 65. Right, let's get all of them changed. So let's start with 64 and we want to change it to storage dot ship X. Right, so let's see if we can find the first one. Let's go back up. So that's the first one. So replace that. Replace that. Replace that. And that. And that. Replace that. And that. And that. And that. 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 Is that them all? Oh, no, we've got one there. And there. 66 is definitely needed. Oh dear. Add 64. Add whatever's into the 64 into the delay counter. I'm not too sure about that. But we'll do it. Right, so 65 is Y. Right, so we'll replace that, 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 that. Any more? Right, now we've figured out some bytes. We can try and work out. I think the control system is the next thing we're going to find. So it's the control system. Let's see if we can find the control system. So our keyboard is 6C. A, 6B, joystick A, joystick B. That'll be a good thing to look for, won't it? So that's reading the joystick. So that's reading the controls, isn't it? Yeah. So read. Oh, come on, John. So that's reading the joystick controls. So fire, up and down, left go into A, and right goes into B. So technically we could There you go, mate. Well spotted. Well spotted. And thank you, bot, for letting me know someone spoke about me. Right. So we can we could redo all these. So if we what do I want to do? What do I want to do? Yeah. let's find all them. So if I go into here, drag that into there, there we go. So that puts us in the same place. So find that, do that, paste that in, go back, find that, go back, find that, go back, find that, back, find that, messy code, yeah, messy code, just a little bit. Go back, right, so, but it's, right, so, what it's, okay, so, we will add a comment into it because output is accumulator equals joystick A. So the accumulator is joystick A. Because that's, it loads joystick A and then, so that's testing 04, 08, 010. So this is where the control system is, and then that's one's checking joystick B. Right, let's get our mapping the C64, mapping the VIC up, and we want 160, I think, somewhere around there. Oh, it's 9.1, isn't it? The joystick stuff. Here we go. So, where's that description about the joystick? Well, that's the user port, isn't it? User port. Here we go. Joystick. Right, bit 4 is west. So 4, 3, 2, 1. So 2 is north. 3 is south. 4 is west. And 5 is fire. Yep, 5 is fire. Right, so that means that bit 0, 1, 2, so that's going to be 0, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Right, let's find these bad boys. Okay, find next. 04. Right, so we need constants. Where's our constants file? There it is. So we've got screen characters, can code. I've got no joysticks. Right. So joysticks dot label. So we have got joystick north. No, not that. Joystick north equals $04 dot label joystick south equals $08 joystick west equals $10 and dot label joystick fire equals 20. Right, so this is constants dot joy. Oh no, it's not constants, it's just joystick. Joystick dot, and it was 04, which is JS north. So that's definitely north. So this is south. This is west. Yeah, we'll be adding east as well. Just working on the first port first. So this is west. Here we go. So this is east here. So dot label. Ooh. Oh, come on. 80. So this is east. And we'll figure out where fire is, and it looks like it's there. Right, so we're in the thick of it here. Just wondering what all this is about. Wow, that's a function that's called a lot. Right, let's work out this. So this is doing. So this is saying we are not. So it's not north.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
And why am I paying attention into chat? I've added east. What have I missed? Kebab has arrived. Did you finally got 5 channel points, mate, and you've just wasted them. You want an entrance sound? Yeah, we can work that out. We can figure that out. I'll search on Twitch Sounds to see if there's a hello, guess who's arrived? That sort of thing. You paid to pay attention. Yeah. I'll see if I can find a guys, guess who's arrived sound. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, in the arena. Yeah, I'll see if I can find something like that. In fact, slight squirrel moment. I think it's Twitch sounds. Yeah, here we go. Sounds alerts, that's it. Here we go, sound alerts. Hey old school coder, let's see if we can find anything. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Nope.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Nope. No. No, here we go. No, no. The Lord and Master has arrived. And would you believe it? No hits. No hits. Oh, I can't spell. Please be upstanding. No. 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 Don't like it. It might turn out, and I might have to do another one. Might have to make another one. There are plenty of them on here. There are plenty of them.
Introducing
Oh. Oh dear. That is just weird. What's that one?
Fast as fuck, boy.
Oh dear. I'll find. I mean, I'm gonna do what you say. Look, there you go. You know, there's plenty of them. There's masses and masses of them. Oh, getting childish now. Anyway, back to the task in hand. Right, not joystick, not going north. Who's there? I'm not going to say it again. I'm not going to say it again. Mikroman has left the building, and in doing so, he turned the LED off. Oh, that's his way of saying he's watching and not watching. All right then, mate. We'll see you in a bit. Right. Why is that? Ladies, dude. Enjoy your Costco trip. Oh, Docster's figured out. I'm still trying to work out how to get the when you do something on the Twitch bot that it does something on the screen. Yeah. I've been thinking about having a command to make it cycle, so it cycles through. Right, so not going south. So this is west, so this is going to be not going west. Put that there. Get rid of that. So this is not going east. Plus exclamation. So that's going to be down here, isn't it? 2721. That's there. Not going east. Yeah. I've been trying to find one on eBay because the company that made it's gone bust. The company that made those little robots gone bust. So I'm trying to see if I can find one on eBay. And yes, we'll see. So where's that going? That's going there. Yeah, I've seen them, but my electronic skills are rubbish. But yeah, I could make one. Put one of these webcams just pointing at it on the floor and let you just tell it what to do. See what it does. I'll see what I can do. I'll see what I get up to. I'll see if I can find a good one. Right, so that is not joystick, no fire. Plus exclamation mark. So that is going to there. No fire. Right, so this is the control system, but we don't know where it starts. There's a jump there, so I'm wondering, no, there's an RTS there. So, no, there's an RTS there. So I'm just wondering if it's here. I'm just wondering if it's here. But what's this? Oh, there's another. Oh, that's the keyboard. Right, so this is reading the keyboard. So right, read keyboard controls. So this is reading the keyboard. So, so we are putting it there, increasing that, decreasing that. I think that's just to put it back. So it sets the column up, sets the row. So it sets the rows to be high, so it's sending out signals, and we're reading the column and then storing where the column is. Right, so we need to find all those. Right, where did I leave that there? Did I leave it there? No, I didn't. Okay, so find, go down. So let's read joystick controls. Go back. Find, read joystick controls. Yeah, it's got, I can list now the commands. I've also got it that the mods can add AMK points or subtract AMK points. If you try and add AMK points to yourself, you'll get a rude message. And also I've stopped Andy from adding minus points to people, which in fact deducts points. So I've stopped that. So yeah, I'm learning. I've never done JavaScript programming before, so I'm learning. But what I am doing is there you go. So you can't add points to yourself. But what I am doing is I'm learning the project I'm using for Node.js is this website, yeah? So it's this website, but he's now converted this website into TypeScript, so which is a sort of superset. Now I've already converted this into a char, a character editor already. It's a bit buggy, so I'm working on it. But it then converted it to TypeScript, so I've been looking into TypeScript as well and seeing. But I think I'm going to stick with Node.js because I'm having to learn that for work. So, but when I've finished, I'm going to have a character editor called CharMate, and yeah, so I'm gonna continue with Node.js. I've been interested in TypeScript because when I was reading it, it seems to be a lot more controlled, that you have to declare. You know, when you build a class, it's more in keeping with how you would build a class in C#, C++, and all that. You know, everything has to be declared at the top. As JavaScript, you don't have to, which is a bit annoying because halfway through the code you're going, what's that property? So, but yeah, So I've got the character editor bit working. It's now I'm developing the tile editor, which then will lead on to the screen editor, and then the map editor, and then because the person who wrote this has given me permission to do it. I tweeted to him, and he said, "Yeah, go for it." He was the person that actually told me he was converting it to TypeScript, and if I waited, the code for TypeScript would come through. But I've got to learn Node.js and JavaScript for work, so TypeScript is slightly different. But I will show you when I've got something working. I'll show you what I'm doing, because what I want to do is have a set of tools that can be used by both Windows and Mac users, Windows users and Linux users to make sprites. So this dude's already done the sprite editor, so I'm not redoing that, not reinventing the wheel, but I'm using his techniques to do the character editor and the tile editor and the map editor. So that's what I'm using to learn Node. Even though it's for work, at the end of it, you guys will have something out of it. So yeah, and it's running the bot. So I've just got to think of ideas for the bot to do. I mean, last stream we watched a robot. We told a robot say hi and everything. Don't know if you saw it. I don't know if it's still there. Let's have a look. See if it's still there. Yes, he's still there. There he is. Let's see if we can get him. Let's see if my name can. Right, so we have to do. He's on the charger. Vector. Hello. There we go. He's going to say hi, old school coder, in his face. Here we go. Go on. Go on. Do it. Do it. Don't make me look foolish. Oh, he's not done it. Oh. Oh, he's charging. Now he's charging. He's charging. Let's see if he... Let's see if we can change his eye colour. Go on. You know you want to do it. Now he's charging. He's charging. He's ignoring comments. He's ignoring his controls. But it would be nice to be able to, do something like that. Right. Where else are we going? There's one there. And go back up. And then one there. So, I have noticed something. Well, he does. He does move about. It's just on the streams we've caught him when he was charging, didn't we? Well, I've just noticed something on these calls. They're loading X with a bit value, a byte value. So, storing X in VIA2. VIA2 PA2. VIA2 PA2. So I've got a sneaky suspicion that it's setting the outputs. BA2. What's 2F? 2F, I'm miles away. Here we go. So what's it doing? This register is a mirror port of port A, except the CIA1 and CIA control lines are different. Okay, so let's look at VIA PA1. See, is it mirror? Oh, the control lines. Okay, let's go. Did it say it said 21, didn't it? Here we go, 21. So it's setting which lines to set high, and then reads what the input is back. So it's masking. Here we go. Rows loaded from. So if it's 7F, which is the first one we was looking at, so it's setting all the lines. So that means it's looking at this row here. So home 0, 8, 6, 4, and 2. Right. So that's PB7. PB6, PB5. Right, I'll have to see what the other ones are. So that was F7. What's this one? Oh, that's using F7 as well. So that's read. Okay. So if that's 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is F7. No, 40 is home. Would that be home? Let's see. Let's put a thing in there. Question mark, home. 10. 0, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So that's possibly 0. 0. FD04, right, FD. That's down here. So 1, 2, 4. So that's possibly R. Okay, FB. And this is 04 as well. So that's possibly D. RD. I wonder if that's up and down. Where was the other? Where's the other ones? That one. Right, FD. So FD, looking at 20. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. P. P. Right, where is the other one? That one. So FE, so it's down here, looking at 10. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, so 9. 9. Okay. Right, let's just check we ain't broke anything. So we've got 0 and 9. Right, let's try what 0 and 9 does. No. Ooh. D. A. Right, A and D. Right, okay. So, P, was that going up? Oh, what would be going up? So, S is fire. Right. Right, let's get this done. So, A is west. A is west. D is east. S is fire. Right, so what would up and down be? P. I bet P is not P. L. No. Come on, guys, help me out. What's if it's A S D for left, right, fire? What would be the up and down for? See if this thing will go up. I'm pressing every button I can see. Left, right. What would be up and down then? That's every key. I wonder if it's an F7. Oh, hang on. Hey up. Found up and down. That's F2 and F6. That is... No, it's F1 and F5. I was going to say F2 and F6 needs a shift pressing. Right. So F1 is up. F3 is down. Spacebar was shield. Yeah. Right. So we need to work out those numbers. So let's go back. We'll start at the top and we'll figure out which one controls which. So 7F. This was saying 7F. So that's this line here. That is not any of those. Not any of those. So we're going to have to work out what these are here. So we'll go back to the joystick area. So we've worked out the keyboard controls. Let's go to the joystick area because these are self-explanatory. Right. So this must be joystick north. So let's go and find that. So this is joystick north. So, call it that. Should we call it that? Yeah, we'll call it that. So, loads the ship Y. Is it 0? Is it 0? No. If it is, come out. Right. So, Ooh. So we're okay to move north. Right, that's that got rid of. So if we go back, to there. There was another. So that's the one that we've just done. So it's this one. Control find. Let's go up. Right, so this is the keyboard version of it. Now we said up was F1. So if it's loading Z, then we're reading this wrong. 7F is that line there. Or is it saying 7F in this one? Okay. And it's inverted, isn't it? It's inverted. So that would be that one there. So we set that line to be on. And this is... Oh, right, I've got this the wrong way around, haven't I? Right, so that is there. That's F1. Because we set that, so only that line is available to be read. So we're only looking at this one, and we're looking for 10. So that's going to be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So that's F1 there. Like a wally. Right, so 40 would be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, F5. So that's definitely F5. Got it read it the wrong way around. So this FD. So FD is only reading bit 2, so that's this one here. And this one is 4. 1, 2, 4. So this is A. So that's A. So that means this is definitely D. Oh, I got one of them right. D. And then fire must be further down. We'll sort that out. Right, so control up. Go back to where I came from. Control F. I've done that one, haven't I? Should have done that one. Yep. So go back to where we came from, which is here. So this is controls going down. So compare it with 19. Would I want to make a C64 version of this? Would I want to? Would be interesting. Let's put some script, right, dimensions. Right, dot label, top row equals 01. So here, when we're doing Y, so dimensions dot top row. So here, dot label dot, bottom row. Right, well, the reason I'm doing this is just in case we make a C64 version of this, we can set, you know, the top row, the bottom row, and all that jazz. Right, so this is then, okay, so this would be okay. Ah, I've just spotted a typo. Okay, to move south. That should sort that out. Then we can get rid of that. We need to see what this does. But it's running a different routine. Oh, that could be the keyboard. Maybe not, because it doesn't say. That will. I'm getting distracted. Carry on with what I'm doing. Right, so if we go back. And so that is so that should be down. Controls down, yep. So this one is west. Oh, there's a lot of them coming here. Controls west. Right. Dot label no, left most column. Oh, come on, John. How do you spell column? No? There we go. So, leftmost dimensions dot leftmost column. Oh, and I still can't spell. Rubbish. West is left. That should sort that out. Let's go back up. So this is controls west. So we've done controls up. Controls down, controls west. So this is going to be controls east. Right, and dot label rightmost column. Oh, come on. 13. Right, so that is going. So, okay to go right. Plus. So, okay to go right. Right. We're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Right, so let's go. So we've done that one. And I forgot to do the other ones, didn't it? It was that one, wasn't it? That one. Forgot to do the other ones. Never mind. Right, go back up. So. And this is east. So, fire is somewhere. There it is. So, let's do that. Oh, look at that. It's jumping away. Oh, that's jumping away. Really, we don't want to jump there. Let's find out where it's going. So this is where it's going. Where's that jumping to? Oh, it's jumping up. Oh, it's coming out. And that is as well. Right, 68 looks important. And 60 bullet. I wonder if that's related to bullets. That'll be interesting. Oh, 4E and 4F. They are in, that could be interested in bullets as well. So 68, we haven't got 68 down, have we? In memory. No. I'm just wondering if that is a bullet flag. Load, if it's not equal to 0, return out. And it would not equal to 0 when... Interesting. Interesting. So I think 68 and 60... Well, 68, I think that's the bullet flag. What's 60? What would 60 be? We'll find out. But definitely 4E and 4F are being initialized by the ship coordinates. Definitely. Let's... Ooh. Ope. 539. Go away. 539. No one told me about that one, did they? Could have got you some A and K points. Right, F1. So we're going to be looking at 4E and 4F. Alright. Right. So let's look at 4E and 4F. You can still see it, can't you? So that is where the ship is right now. So that is where the ship is right now. So if we move it, yeah, that is where the ship is right now. But I didn't move. Did I move it up? I don't remember moving it up. Oh. F is moving up at the same rate as 4. Okay. No, it's stopped now. But it did go. Well, I've moved it up and it's not changed. Right, let's do this properly. Let's go over there. Right, memory 004E. So that's definitely moved. So the X is right, and the Y looks like it's right as well. So that's the bottom. That is definitely the bottom. But why is it gone to OA? Right. I'm not sure about 4F. I'm not sure about 4F. Well, that's jumping away, isn't it? I'm not sure about 4F because 4F's supposed to have been the Y value of the ship, but it's not. That means 4E is being updated elsewhere. Okay, let's see if this is right. So F6. We're going to fire a bullet and see if it follows. So Alt H. So memory 004E. There we go. So OB17. So let's see if we can. Right, fire. Oh, it's too quick. Oh, that didn't do it. There we go. Right. I'm gonna go, and it's gonna it's gonna disappear really quickly. Right. So I'm just wondering, where's that going? That's going upwards. Somewhere around here. There it is. Right. Let's go back down. Right, so 6D looks like it's the bullet flag. That's a question. Could I spit out more than one bullet? I can't remember. Am I coding tonight? God, mate, that was a long time ago when you must have asked that. Right, let's see. Hit. Fire, 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 fire. Whoa, dear. Right. How many am I getting on there? That's one. That's two. That's three. That's four. Yeah. I think that's 4 bullets in total that can be on the screen at any one time. So, 4E is bullet X and Y is 4F. But how do they do multiple bullets? We're going to have to look in this lot. .4E store it in 50, 4F store it in 51. Well, that gives the impression there's 2 bullets. Right, let's get some storage in place. So we now know that dot label bullet X. Oh, come on. Bullet X equals $4E. Bullet Y $4F. Right. Let's get these changed. Right, so space $4E is going to be storage bullet X. Wow, there's a lot of them. Let's get to the bottom. Right, so wonder what that's all about. Okay, right, we'll replace that. Replace that. Replace that. Replace that. That. Gotta think, keep your wits around me. There's a lot of them. that's the array. Bet that's the array. Right, for F is going to be bullet Y. Start at the beginning. Ooh, that's interesting. Right, 68. Find space $68. How many times do we have that? It's only 5. So that's resetting it. So is that. Is no fire. So that's resetting the flag. Right, I think that's the fire flag. I think that's the fire flag. So what's 6D then? Nico, shut up. There's no one out there. All right, okay. Right, so I wonder if that's to. Oh, I wonder if 6D's to do with the shields. Shield flag. Oh, can you fire? Right, is it fire? Go to that. Fine. Go to definition, which comes there, then goes to definition. Right, 6D. Can we? I wonder if 6D's a flag for the shield, but you can't fire when you've got the shields on. Okay, let's try that out. So F1. Right, here we go. Wasn't paying attention. I'm trying to clear the level so we've got no bad guys. Come on. There we go. Right. So, let me just move out of the way. So, there we go. So, if we have the shield on, we can fire. If the shield's on, we can't fire. Right. Right. So we can't fire when the shield's on. So that is definitely a shield flag. Right, so where are we going to do? Right. Dot label shield. Is that how you spell it? Active equals 6D. Right, so we'll change 6 D to be shield active. Right. Do that, that. Okay. So 6A must be bullet active. But I'm not sure. Not bullets active, guns active. I'm not sure. Gotta look at it a bit more. So we'll put that on there. So I'm not sure. We've got to see what it's doing. But we've definitely got the shield flag, because that's what's happening in that guns routine. I need to figure out what this is. I do need to figure out what that is. Anyway, small steps, baby steps. Right, I am out down here. So let's start with the controls. Control up. So it was doing something. Wow. Oh dear. Wow. Yes. Okay. Oh dear. Storing full. Load 40. 44. What's this doing then? Right, okay. Bullet Y. Branch if equal to 0. Where's that going? Is that bypassing the whole thing? Okay. So this looks like it's updating the bullet range. But I don't think, I'm not sure. Putting 0 in 44 and 1 in 45. So that's definitely a 0 page location. But whilst we've got a score in 45, which means 45 is not the score. So it starts off there, loads the bullet Y, which would be 19 or whatever it is. If it's equal to 0, it bypasses it to there. Loads A with bullet. Transfers it into Y. So this is doing the multiply. Okay, this is doing the multiply. Okay. So that's finding the current position of the bullet. Then it adds X. Right, okay. Gonna have to go back. I've lost where I came from. So we was doing controls up, weren't we? So go to definition. So oh right, I'm bullet X, increase bullet Y, decrease bullet X, increase bullet Y. This we must be checking either whether we've hit us or we've hit somebody else. So we know X and A, they're being set. So it stores A into there. Do we mess around with X in there? No, we don't. It's A and Y. So I'm wondering if 3D oh no, that's loading that value, isn't it? Okay. I think this is where we're checking the screen, so I need to go back. Stu up again. Yeah. So no. This one, wasn't it? So that's going there. And then we check. So we're loading. So it's loading 20 and 0. Now 20, I bet you is a space. Yes. So this is working out. Right, 44 is definitely the screen. 44 and 45 is definitely the screen. And the reason I know this is because it starts at 1C. So I'm just wondering, it works out the screen location here. And then, aha, 40 and 41 is the colour. Because it's adding the differential, 78. Okay. And I can't go back again. Where are we? There we go. This is where we're at. Go to definition. Load space and black. Work out where it is. Store him. And then goes back. So let's just do this again. Right, so it gets X and Y. Where are we there? Right, let's just copy that. Copy that. So we can get back to it. So this is blanking out the spot in bullet Y and bullet X. Right. So it's using bullet X and bullet Y. So that's blanking out. Then it increases bullet X and blanks it out again. So this is blanking. Right, okay, this is blanking out. So it's blanking out. I think that's blanking out the ship. I think that's blanking out the ship. So how many characters was the ship? I bet it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. F6. How many characters do we think? So how many characters do you think that is? So that's 1, 2. So that's got to be 2 characters. Let's bring it down. There we go. So that's definitely 2 characters. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So that's definitely 6 cells. That's definitely 6 cells. So 1, 2, 3. Let's work this out. So it's doing ship X and ship Y. Then it increases X. So that's going that way. So if we're there, increase X, which goes there. Increase Y, and Y goes down, so it goes down to there. Decrease X, so it comes back to there. Increase Y, so that comes to there. Increase X, that comes to there. Increase Y, that goes to there. Decrease X, that goes to there. Right, so let me show you what I've don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? So we're starting there. So this is ship X, Y there. Yeah. So it wipes out. Oh, you can't see it on the screen. Hang on, let me just bring this forward. How can I bring that forward? Like that. There we go. So here, that line, I don't know if you can see it, but it wipes out the it wipes out that bullet, and then it does increase X. So we increase X to here, and then it wipes out that bullet. That's that character. So this is a 4x2, yeah. Then it does increase Y, so it moves down a row and sorts that one out. Then decrease X does that. Increase Y does that. Increase X does that. Increases Y does that, and then decreases X and does that one. So this routine is cleaning out the ship. This routine. So let's go back to the. So this routine here is actually clearing out the ship because it's putting a space and black into all those stop spaces. So right, okay, so this is clear ship graphics. So that's what that's doing. And then it's loading. Is the shield active? If it's not equal to 0, because it sets it to 1 when it's active, and I bet you this is the ship clearing out as well. Yeah, because it's starting X is low. And then it's increasing Y, so that's 3 increases of Y. Then 1, 2, 3 increases of X, and then decreases Y by 3. So that, yeah, that's clearing out the shield as well. Clear shield graphics. So that's that. So we can do that there. So we can give this function here a name. So what should we call this? Clear screen cell. That's what we'll call it. To be. I don't know where I was now. Ah, good job, I've got that. Right. So that is clearing a cell. Might as well do this as well, I think. Of course, the boring bit. Right, I put money. This is putting the ship back, building the ship back together again. And I bet this is the shield as well. Right, it's 10:30, and I think that's a good place to stop. So we'll stay there, so we know where we are. So when I go back into it next time. Well, we've made progress. We've identified the control routines. Now we're identifying what the control routines are doing. So this is wiping out where it is and then storing it back where it looks like it's going to store it back in the new position. Oh, we're getting there. We're getting there. It's a bit spaghetti, especially when it does all those jumps. That's going to be annoying. But we'll sort all that out when we come to optimize it. Right. Okay, I think that's a great place to stop, guys, and I hope you're enjoying this. I like the disassembling stuff because it means it taxes the brain trying to figure out what's going on, and we're getting there. We're starting to understand all the variables and getting to understand what it's doing in the routine. So I'm not too sure then. This is bullet X and bullet Y, but we'll see. Alright guys, right. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.